General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, we got FOMC out the way. Next is NFP Friday. Today's Wednesday. I thought today was Wednesday too. 7:30-25. Forex Factory. Pretty sure those companies, yeah, they beat earnings. I've seen the market go up. Look at this data. So Trump's gonna be mad because this data is good. I missed the Trump speech. This is today. I need tomorrow. PCE. Thursday is a no trade day because the market usually holds for NFP. We usually don't have earnings like this, so we might have some good stuff going. What time volatility kick in? 8:30. 8:30. Volatility kicks in. No. Thursday is usually a no trade day. That's NFP Friday. Market usually holds. CME Fed Watch. Now, since that's done, now we should only see the next one, which is probably going to be super high. Hold up. This is super low. Oh, Trump is going to be pissed. Okay. Okay, so we got a flip today. Looks like no rate cuts for September. No. We do get 2 rounds of inflation data before this Fed fund rate decision, or before this, fund rate decision, because they might have some meetings. Fund rate decision, so things could change. But as for now, Powell is hawkish. I heard, they just, I don't know what's up with Powell, because September kind of makes sense to me, but I'm not Powell. Like, he went to Harvard for this, I think. Harvard. So maybe he know. But the press conference today, it was like they don't want to cut too early, and it was interesting. Tomorrow is Amazon Apple. So we got two of the big dogs. You see the candle today, you see how important earnings is. Two more high impact earnings release for the NASDAQ. Apple and Amazon after market close. Dollar on the daily. Dollar had a good day, which is peaceful because you gotta have an asset where you don't chase. You just sit there and just be like, "Oh, this is cool." Like, we're back into this old range of reference. We cleared this. Now this needs a down candle. This is still relevant. I don't even know what this line is for. That was fair value right here. We broke this high. So let's redraw this from this close. Well, this closed here and this opened here. I kind of like that color. Let's do purple. So we got us a nice volume imbalance here. Retracement seeking balance. I don't know if we're going to do this internal range liquidity sweep, which would be interesting. This would be interesting. That font is hard. This is enough. Really, this is enough. Let's see if we have any pressing higher objectives. Right here, we have a flat top here. So say here first. I'm thinking of naming this line like Max Payne or something, but I think this is enough. This, anything higher than this will be interesting. No, we have a flat top on the volume imbalance and the flat top at 100, 905. Um, Anything higher than that it would be interesting. Um, I'm waiting for CSD. What happened today? I have a lot of lines. This is what happened today. I wanted to get here and sell to here, and so it came here, and it came here like right before FOMC. Now I ain't finna mess with this. So I ain't take no trade today. But this, like it came according to plan. This came at the news. This, you would have had to just market this from the hour perspective. There's nothing here. And we hit TP2. Monthly take profit looks interesting. Let's take this alert off. Can I do this? Okay. FOMC, sweat both sides of the board. Next on the menu is earnings Thursday and NFP Friday. Market is bullish. That drop today would have been a good buy, but I missed it. That would have been a good buy to hold. If you caught that from right there, you should hold that until something else happens. Like until we have a daily change in the state of delivery. Weekly, this weekly gap is disgusting, but it's earnings. So this is allowed. Current interval only. Monthly TP is still the target. Nothing here has changed for this week. And the month's not over. I think we got one more day. Alright, so should get it. Okay. Monthly TP still the objective. We can, hold on, wait. We can think about retracements. Week 3. Yeah, week 1 don't look like it's gonna set up for a push next week too. This is a strong rally. All right. So we bought up under the old daily high. We bought up under this. This fractal should not be studied because it's so tacky. This range, however, is interesting from here to here. This took buy side. When was the last time? From here to here. We left it here. All right. Monthly TP is the target for tomorrow. I don't like this gap. Came through with a down candle. Almost completely filled it. Pushed it back with an up candle. This is balanced. We closed above this candle. Beautiful. Retracements, higher prices. This is a very large candle. Yeah, we haven't had a candle this big in a while. It's today? July 30. Yeah, huge candle range. This is gone. Like right now, it's this. 'Cause this is before this. This is what we working with. This is my target here. This is the range I'm watching. Let me get 50% of this. Because Lord knows. EQ? Just EQ. Okay, EQ did it. It did the thing. Oh, wait. July 30 EQ. Look at this range. This is the full EQ right here. And then this is the body EQ right here. This is greedy, but it's doable. But this is first. We opened here and we closed here. All right. Watching this daily candle because the range is huge. Still looking for monthly TP tomorrow. Yeah, nothing changed right there. Okay, so we completely closed above this. Now this is like a breaker now. And we'll just do this. Can't do the box right now. H4 bullish breaker block. And I can put that on the lower time frames and it won't be cluttered. So Monday's low came and got dealt with. It came and got dealt with the other day. We never closed through it either. We just kept wicking it. Never got a body close. Monday's low and high is done. Where's the end of Monday? This is Tuesday right here. So this is Monday. Yeah, this could go higher. We can come back here, bounce here. We still got TP5 on the menu. TP4 has been smacked. No. The H4 bullish breaker is the level I'm watching. Going into tomorrow. Buys at or below that level is fair value. Okay. I'm gonna set my alert here. Bam. It already has the message. This is gone. This is gone. This here. I keep this here. Target is here. From here. We come from here to here, and then we pull back here. Trying to see where we're gonna go. From here to back to here. Because we came from here. Really this leg. When did we start taking highs? We started taking highs here. Started taking highs here. We pulled back here. Became one full symmetrical here. We have us another one here. A little bit closer. Yep, a little bit closer. I like it when the trend goes like regular trend, like high, low. This one makes more sense because this is the leg that broke structure. This is the pullback. This is accumulation. This is using this as engineered liquidity to get up here. So here, it's around in the middle of this. This fits better as a take profit for me. This is 23,852.25. Let me write this down. TP2 for Thursday. All right, that works. Buy from here, target here. Monthly TP. Here's TP1. TP2 is 23,852.25 fib extension level since we at all-time high. Alert set at H4 bullish breaker block. Buys at or below that level is fair value. All right, I'm going to upload that to the Telegram journal. Y'all have a good day. Peace.